Hey guys, your boy is back with another Upwork video. We are continuing the Upwork series. So today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to stop doing that, man.
Man, I have a thingy. You record your video, man. What's wrong?
Hey guys, welcome back. So today, we're going to continue with the Upwork series, and I'm
You are bad anyways, man. What's wrong? Okay, go again, man.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today your boy is gonna be doing a Hey guys, welcome back, and today we're gonna continue the Upwork series, and I'm gonna be giving you guys 3 tips to increase your sales conversions by 300%. Let's jump right into it.
Yeah, doubt myself, and I'm too proud to ask for help. When you see me beside myself, I don't have to explain it, baby. Yeah, I'm all for breaking fights and trying to mend beneath the hype. Don't wanna know that I'm not right.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to continue the Upwork series, and I'm going to be showing you guys 3 tips to increase your conversion rate on the sales calls that you get. So before we had these sales systems in place, we used to get hundreds of calls, but only have, like a 20% conversion rate on these sales calls that we used to have on Upwork, and that we still get, right? Now, since we've studied sales and actually been able to implement these sales skills and sales techniques and sales systems, we've been able to have an amazing increase in our sales. For example, yesterday we had 3 sales calls, and we were able to close 2 clients on a 3-month contract, and only one of them we were not able to close because we were not able to agree on the terms. Okay, so tip number 1, you have to have a script. Okay, if you look at all the big sales gurus like Uncle Grant or Uncle Jordan Belfort, they all talk about sales scripts. If you don't have a sales script, you don't know what you're saying, you're pretty much always gonna get stuck, and the client is always gonna know you're a novice, you're a newbie, you're a loser. They're not gonna hire you, you're a nobody. They're gonna know that on the call straight away. So you have to have a sales script. You have to have a systematized sales script, and you have to know what you're gonna say when the client asks you a question. You have to have a proper intro. You have to have a section where you ask proper questions. You have to have a proper intro to your company, to your business, to the services, and then you have to have a really, really strong closing section where you actually close them on the call. Okay, so script, very important. Okay, tip number 2. Now this is a very, very powerful and strong one that we've been able to implement, and it's been amazing for us. Okay, so, and that is asking questions. Okay, you win by asking questions. That's why introverts become the best salespeople in the world. I used to be an introvert. I used to be a massive introvert. Now, a little story. When I was younger, I used to struggle when I was socializing, and this is crazy, but when we used to get packages in my house in the post office, the postman used to knock on the door. I was so terrified I couldn't open the door because that's how terrified and introverted I was. Okay, now I would think I'm a really good salesperson right now because I'm doing so well with my agency, closing these people every single day, and that's because I ask questions and then I shut up. Okay, I ask questions and I don't say anything. Okay, you have to have a proper section in your script where you ask questions about their business, about their products, about their services, about their market, about their customers, about every single detail of their product. Now, just to give you an idea, our sales calls on average are about 30 to 50 minutes long. Now, majority of that is asking questions. Okay, we don't dick around. We don't talk about their family or Christmas or the Tooth Fairy or Halloween or fucking Groundhog's Day. We ask them questions about their business so we can get them closer to making the right decision, and that is to work with us. Right now, sales tip number 3, and that is to practice, and if you think you've practiced enough, practice more. Okay, so when I say practice, what I mean is write a sales script, have a good questioning section, and then practice that with your colleagues, your friends, your freelancers, your cat, whoever you have in your in your vicinity. Practice. And then another amazing tip that I'll give you guys that I've been able to keep as a secret to myself is actually record every sales call you have via Loom, which is a Google Chrome extension. It's free, you can download it, and then record every single sales call, okay? And then go back through every single sales call, the successful ones, and then see why you were successful. Look at all the bad ones and see why you failed in that sales call. Every failure is a learning lesson. Every success is a motivation, and it rewires you for success. You sell that to yourself that you are a good salesperson, and use the failed ones as a learning lesson, as an experience, okay? Now, I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to smash that like button and share with your family and friends. And I'll see you guys on the next video.
Okay, I'm gonna share this with my grandma, okay?
No,
What the fuck, what family?
this is not for your grandma, man. This is for professional salespeople.
Yeah, share this with your family and friends.
What's wrong with that?
Share this with your cat and dog. What's wrong with that?
Anyway, guys, make sure you share with your friends and your family. And if you have any...
cat and your dog?
No, you don't do that. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and put the notification bell on, because we were doing an entire series of videos about Upwork, okay? This was the second video in the 20 videos that I'm uploading about Upwork, okay? I'll see you guys on the next one.